Hey fam, welcome back. Today I want to talk about my iPad Pro. It's not gonna be a review about it, but let's wait when you come back. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk about my iPad Pro. I really like it. It's really fast with the M1 chips, the new Apple chip. I have the gray version, the 12-inch, and I use it more than I use my Mac. So my wife uses my Mac more than me. But my problem is with the keyboard, because like Apple, they're sending you the iPad, they're sending you the keyboard, and they're also sending you the pen that you can use with the iPad. Listen, I really like all of them because I bought them. But my thing is, Apple should have done a better job. By example, like adding some keys to the keyboard. I don't know why they don't, but some third-party keyboard they do, and stuck with Apple. But there's some better keyboard out there. They offer better things than the Apple keyboard. And the thing is, the Apple Pencil that I bought for my iPad, I basically use it every time. And the thing is, so when I'm done, I don't have no place to put it. You know what I mean? They should have added a little spot for the pencil, but they don't. It doesn't make no sense, because let's think about it. Like the Apple Pencil, it costs like what? I think I paid like 130 something for it, something like that. And when you, let's say if you, the only way you can use it, let's say if you have a bag, when you're done, you put it inside a bag, yes. But for me, I don't like carry a bag when I have my iPad with me. So basically, when I'm done, I have to put it on top of the iPad. But guess what? It can get lost. You know what I mean? And there's no those those iPhones, stuff like that. When you have a GPS, you can find where you dropped it or anything like that. You know what I mean? And for that, I ended up buying a case because I didn't want to lose the pencil. So the one I bought, it's like basically it's like an old school notebook stuff. The one thing I like about it is when you have the iPad inside, and you also have a little spot you can put your pen. So it's basically like what I wanted from the Apple keyboard. So I mean, they say they listen to the customers and everything. So I don't consider myself as a customer now. I think I'm part of the family, because I basically bought everything that Apple makes. So I don't know if they're listening right now. Apple, if you're listening right now, please do something about the keyboard. Bring a version 2, 3, I don't know, but make sure you guys add little things that people want. The most important is little spot for the pen, so because we don't want to lose it. You know what I mean? Because these things cost money. So please, Apple, do something about it. And thank you guys for watching. So let me know if you guys want me to do any review about anything. So just let me know, and I will listen to you guys. So thank you again for watching. Peace.